Alright, first we're going to start off making our black bean and corn salsa. So we're going to go ahead and cut a small ring of red onion. Take our outside layer off, and we're going to peel around to get this thin layer of skin as well. We'll discard that, and we'll cut across these rings. We'll go ahead and dice it. We're going to dice these into fairly small pieces, but we don't want to mince them too much because we do want the color of the red onions. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and cut a tomato. I'm going to take the end off. We're going to cut right down the middle. And we're not going to cut this way because sometimes it's hard to get through the skin, so we're going to cut like this. The knife should pass very easily through the meat. And then we will do the same to the other side.